Welcome back to video classes. So the previous video we did 4 problems. Now we'll continue the next problem. Fifth one is Siley plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. What is the meaning of sapling? Sapling means it is a young tree. Sapling means young tree. Sapling means young tree. Siley plants 4 saplings in a row. Row means so just like this, in a row. So 4 saplings. So this is the, let it be the first, and this is the second one, this is the third sapling, and this is fourth sapling. Here she plants 4 saplings, 1, 2, 3, 4. So young trees, sapling means young tree, in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings, the distance between these 2 saplings is how much? 3 by 4 meters. The distance between these two, how much? What is the distance between these two? 3 by 4 meters. Here also the distance between these two, and the distance between these 3 by 4 meters. So this is also 3 by 4. Distance between 2 saplings is 3 by 4. So how many 3 by 4s are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4s are there. How many are there? 3 into 3 by 4 meters are there. So which is equal to how much? 3 3s are 9 by 4 meters. That is equal to, so this is improper fraction, 4 2s 8, 1 by 4 meters. So this is the distance between, so 1 by 4 meters means this is the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling. So like that we can find the distance, or we can do the same thing as, so here how many 3 by 4s are there? Find the distance between the first and last means, distance between first and last means how many 3 by 4s are there? 3 by 4 meters plus another 3 by 4. 3 by 4 meters plus this one, 3 by 4 meters. So this is the distance between first and last sapling. From here to here the total distance is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 meters. So meters. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this is the addition of like fractions. Sum of the like fractions is equal to, what is the rule we have? Sum of the numerators by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by common denominators. So that is the rule. Sum of the numerators 3 plus 3 plus 3 by common denominator. What is the denominator we have? 4 meters. So which is equal to 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 by 4 meters. So 9 by 4 means it is the improper fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. 4 2s 8, 1 by 4 meters. So 4 1 by 4 meters, 4 1 by. So we can do in any method. So this is the distance between the first and the last sapling. 4 1 by 2 1 by 4 meters. Okay. So next one is sixth problem. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So let me read again. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. Every day she read 1 3 by 4 hours. Therefore, what is the solution? Here the solution is in one day she read 1 3 by 4 hours can be read. In one day 1 3 by 4 hours can be read. Here the question is in 6 days. In 6 days, how many hours can she read? Therefore, in 6 days, how many hours can be read? So we know that one day. How many hours? One day. 1 3 by 4 hours. 2 days. In 2 days, how many hours she can read? 2 1 3 by 4 hours, isn't it? So 1 day 1 3 by 4 hours. In 2 days 2 1 3 by 4 hours. Similarly in 6 days, how many hours she can read? 6 1 by 1 3 by 4 hours. She can read 6 1 by 1 3 by 4 hours. So which is equal to 6 into, so convert this mixed into improper fraction. 4 ones 4 plus 3 7 by 4 hours. So which is equal to 6 into, that is equal to 6 into 7 by 4. So simplified 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 7 threes 21 by 2 hours, which is equal to, convert this one into improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 2 tens 20, 1 by 2 hours. So 10.5 hours. So in 6 days, therefore she read in 10.5 hours. She take 10.5 hours. In 6 days, she can read 10.5 hours. So come to the next one. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? This is the statement problem. So as it is very clear that, so by using 1 liter of petrol, solution is by using 1 liter of petrol, how many kilometers can be traveled? 16 kilometers. 16 kilometers can be traveled. Kilometers can be traveled. Here the question is, how much distance will it cover? How much distance, how many kilometers can be traveled by using how many liters? 2 3/4 liters of petrol. So the statement, by using 1 liter 16 kilometers, by 2 3/4 liters, how many kilometers? To get more than 16 kilometers, to travel more than 16 kilometers. Whenever you imagine more than means more number by less number into 16 kilometers, or we can write this one as 2 3/4 into 16 kilometers, which is equal to, convert into the improper, 4 2s 8 plus 3 11, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 into 16, 11 by 4 into 16 kilometers. So simplified, 4 ones are 4, 4 4 16. Now 11 fours are how much? 44 kilometers. What is this 44 kilometers? By using 2 3/4 liters of petrol, how much distance will be covered? 44 kilometers. 44 kilometers. Therefore, by using 2 3/4 liters of petrol, (44 kilometers) of distance can be covered. So come to the next, eighth one. So these are the blanks. Provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into dash is equal to 10/30. Here, after multiplying these two numbers, we will get the product as 10/30. So to get 10, which number is to be multiplied by this number 2? So 2 into dash is equal to 10 means which number is to be multiplied? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. By, to get 30, which number is to be multiplied? 3 10s are 30. Therefore, the answer is 5/10. 2 5s 10 by 3 10s 30. So next, the simplest form of the number obtained in dash is. So what is the fraction we got? 5/10. What is the simplest form? So both numerator and denominator. So 5 and 10 are there. We can cancel both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos. So therefore the simplest form is 1/2. Next, B. Provide the number in the box such that 2/5 into dash is equal to 24/75. So 24/75. So here, which number is to be multiplied? So 3. So if you receive the 3 table till you reach 24. So when you receipt it, how many times? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, like that. 3 8s are how much? 3 8s are 24 by. So in 75, 5 how many times? 5 15s are how much? 5 15s are 75. So therefore 8/15. The simplest form of the number obtained in this blank is, so 8/15 only. So we cannot cancel any number. So to here. Okay students, let us stop here. Remaining we will continue in the next video. Until then, bye.